Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're a Chrome user and a fan of the uBlock Origin extension, you might have noticed that uBlock is no longer available for direct installation from the Chrome Web Store and the Add to Chrome button is disabled. This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on uBlock Origin to block ads, trackers, and malware on the web. But don't worry, there's still a way to enable uBlock Origin in your Chrome browser, and I'll walk you through the process in this video. To enable the installation of uBlock Origin, you'll need to make a small change by modifying a value in the Windows registry. After starting the registry editor, also known as regedit, navigate to the following path. This is where you'll find the policies that control the behavior of Google Chrome. If the Google key doesn't exist in the Policies folder, create it. To do this, right-click on the Policies folder and select New Key to create a key. Select New Key again to create another new key. Name it Chrome. Now that you have the Google and Chrome keys in place, you'll need to create a new dword 32-bit value to allow the installation of extensions that use Manifest v2. After creating the value, double-click on it to open the edit window. In the value data field, enter the value 2 and then click OK to save the change. I'm going to export the registry key and provide it in the video description for you guys, so you can easily download and import the key to enable the installation of uBlock Origin in your Chrome browser. To apply the changes you've made to the Windows registry, you'll need to restart your computer, so go ahead and reboot your system. Now go back to the Chrome Web Store and navigate to the uBlock Origin extension page. You should now see that the Add to Chrome button is enabled, and you can click on it to install the extension. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the uBlock Origin icon in your Chrome toolbar, and you can start using the extension to block ads, trackers, and malware. If you've watched this video and tried the workaround to install uBlock Origin in Chrome, but unfortunately it no longer works, I suggest considering an alternative browser such as Firefox. Firefox still supports uBlock Origin and other extensions that use Manifest v2, so you can easily install and use uBlock Origin in Firefox without any issues. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.